Hey guys, I realized I haven't taken you on an updated garden tour since it's been summer, and the last footage I showed was just after the winter in the early spring, and everything looked really drab back then. So I think I want to give you an update on how everything has grown in and the changes I've made, because I've made quite a lot of changes. I built a garden gate and I planted some more boxwoods and a few vegetable herbs and a few vegetables, not vegetable herbs, vegetables. So let's go on a little tour and I'll show you where everything's at. Kiwi, stay. So this is just as you step outside, come down the deck, and the first thing you'll see is this little area here, which is filled in quite a lot. I've started the ivy last year and now it's like basically filled in the whole space, which is what I wanted. And then I have some lavender here and boxwoods here. And then just turning back toward the deck, I have a few boxwoods going up the deck. And then my hostas have come in here. And I planted this guy. Oh, I forget the name of it. I'll put it in. I'll write it in. But I planted this guy to cover the AC unit behind it, which she's doing a pretty good job doing. And then we have the patio here, some flowers, some hibiscus, which is one of my favorites. And then I don't know what this one's called. I've never seen it before, but I just love it. It's so different looking. So I have that in a few places. And then as you come out here, the birch tree has filled in. I just put in these two boxwoods here. And got all the lavender filled in on the side. Here's my little veggie patch. So here there is beets, strawberries, blueberries, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, which is doing amazing, and spinach. That's a flower. It's not flowered yet, but it will. And then there's some pink flowers, hosta, boxwood, more lavender, my favorite. Some more of these guys. This is the gate that I built. And it's 6 feet tall, so it gives perfect privacy to the alleyway behind it. Because the old gate was only 5 feet, so anyone walking by, which there's quite a bit of traffic, could look in. So that's great. Got a little succulent here. And this is the fire pit area, which is really fun to roast marshmallows with Sienna. I just got the fire pit a few weeks ago. Birch tree has filled in, and then back this way you'll see the rain barrel, which has been amazing. Been using it exclusively to water all the plants back here. Just rained yesterday, so it's filled up. I've actually never run dry, so it gives plenty of water. And then my Thai basil plant here on the potting station, which I'm obsessed with this. I had it last year and it grew amazingly. I had as much basil as I could have wanted from it. It was really tiny when I potted it in here a month ago, maybe. It's gonna get really big. And that's it. I have hibiscus trees lining the whole side on that side of the property. They haven't flowered yet, so the leaves have filled in, but they're not yet flowered, so I'll spare you that. I still want to paint this garage. I'm thinking either white with black trim and a black garage door, or white with the same blue as this. But I don't know if that's going to be too much. White paneling, and then the garage door on the other side blue. But I don't know. I'll show you the other side of the gate. So, and the birch tree is growing on a tilt. It's really slanted over. And I think everything I've looked up says it'll reach for the sun, but there's sun all around, so I don't know why it's growing that way. The one in the front is much more straight. And I planted them both at the same time. Last a year and a half ago. This will be its second summer here. Okay, that'll be it for the garden tour. I have a night shift tonight, so I just wanted to make that quick little video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and Kiwi was dancing around me because I didn't let her come out with me when I was out there. It's okay, Kiwi. Okay, so I am gonna just relax and maybe do a little bit of cleaning up before my night shift, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!